So whenever this date comes, we get reminded of all the struggles we have taken in the beginning. So what made Goshalite Shri Goshalite? But before starting that, let's understand why Sir is saying Goshalite is a phenomena. Why it is a phenomena, I will tell you three major points. After Goshalites came, the quality being delivered to the student was actually getting considered in the Telugu state. Before that, monopoly was there, who are paying huge amount of money for the education that was not reaching to them. In every single meeting, the toppers were discussed. And let me tell you, all the faculties who were teaching the middle and the lower sections, they were thinking about their students. Otherwise, on massive level, from the top to bottom, they were not thinking about mass selections as why? Because monopoly is there. They have to show top ranks over there for the national competition, for their prestige. We changed that within 1 year. Within 1 year now, they are thinking, they have given this in the newspapers also, in the news ads also. They are coming in the live and saying we are changing our way of delivering and we are changing the ways in which the big corporates are working. Who brought that change? Who hand twisted to make them understand if you are taking 2 lakh, 3 lakh fees from the student, who will give the service? That quality has been maintained by now because of the competition created. I remember when we were in Kota, all of us, Kota, Mumbai, somewhere, we all used to think here in state like Andhra and Telangana, how can a third institute come out? From 30-34 years, there is a clear monopoly. That revolution was created by Shri Goshalites. We can't even believe that now we are one of the top institutes here in this state. It's like a dream.
Come on.
How? Yeah. One night, just we gave a resignation. Next day, 2,000 people are there in the classroom. This much big revolution, this much big goodwill was there. And after that, thanks to God, I'll tell you why we are meant to be. We got opportunity. We had talent. I'll tell you one thing about Narendra Sir. I was thinking from last 4-5 years. I'm thinking what he has that we don't have. Teacher, he's good teacher. We are also good teacher. He's very good with people. We can learn that. But there is one thing I don't think any one of us can ever learn. That is something that is inbuilt there. The courage. Yeah. This Goshalite is not... The Goshalite is not because of only hard work, I will tell you. And you will also, the COVID got extended. Lockdown got extended. Narendra Sir made a call. We have to leave within 2-3 days. The situation is very bad here. Some of the people will be badly because their situation they made like that. They made us open this thing. They made us 30-35 years of service. More than my age, your service was there. Such a loyal person. They just lost it. Thankfully, we got. But that courage, I don't think anyone of us would have to immediately leave because he was leaving. That courage, I don't think anyone can still have. That courage, okay, today the announcement of NEET has happened. Tomorrow we are starting the classes where the people will come or not come. He trusted us. But that requires courage. Announcement happened. Faculties came the next morning. That required the courage. Putting the name on the pamphlet, 21st June of 2026, NEET is going to happen. That required the courage. People were doubting. I was also saying, sir, what if 14 will come? What if 7 will come? He said, 21st only. We will plan according to that. We will see later on, we will change the track sheet. We can't get that courage, and that courage is the reason that I don't think anyone can replace this thing over here. This, even if after 10-15 years also, whether he's coming to the campus or not, we require that courage. And you have to learn from here also how much talent you have. If you don't have courage, you're not going to shine in the nature. That was the major reason. Second reason, the goodwill that we developed, thankfully. In those 5 years, 4 years of service we have given to the student, they remembered that it was not the brand image that gave them the selection. It was the core hard work at the grassroots level. They came with us. And third and the most important thing what made Goshalite was, we got all the talented people from the country. And as soon as we asked them to come, God made such a situation. They had such belongingness with us. I remember that we called Manish Sir. Manish Sir, can you come? After 6 of us, we came out. Arun Pandey Sir was there, Anurag Sir was there, Ekidi Sir was there, I was there, Taufik Sir was there, Mohit Pandey Sir was there. Then we wanted one more physics, chemistry, botany. At that point of time, we called Manish Sir, Sir, can you come? Yes. Leaving a job for a startup scenario and immediately coming. Narendra Sir went to talk to LC Sir and Ajay Sir. Within half a minute, 30 seconds, sir, you are called. Why did you come, sir? We are anyway going to come. So Narendra Sir also said, I just came to meet you, your family. They were coming. I remember I called at that point of time, Divya ma'am, I called, she was in Ahmedabad. Immediately, okay, I will come. In which date I have to come? Tomorrow I have to come. I said, no, madam, not tomorrow, at least 10 days. You can wait and come. Birmani sir was in his marriage. On Mandapam he was sitting. At that time I called. He said, where are you? I said, why are you asking me where are you? I called. He said, you are not in the marriage. I said, no, you did not give me invitation card. From marriage done there, wife came here. And all one by one, I remember each one of the people, as soon as we asked, immediately they came. And all this talent, Vijay Sir, I remember, he went to Kota. Vijay Sir said, okay, I cannot come. because I'm going to Kota, because if I join you, I cannot leave you people, because we have that kind of friendship. And I don't want, because in Latur, I'm running my own institute. Someday I want to open myself only. I'm going to Kota. I will not come here. Because you are my friends. If I come here, I can't go, I know. I begged him, sir, how Vijay, how, this dialogue I said, he will remember, how Vijayawada can be Vijayawada without Vijay. Only Vada will be left. I did not know this joke will work. But 2 days later, he called, what a chadda place Kota has become now. I don't want to work here. I said, okay, sir, please. And this is how Avengers got gathered. Amit sir. I know Amit sir before also, personally also. We all know each other personally. Siddharth sir, for example, Rahul sir, for example. Rahul sir, 3 calls happened. Shivam sir, for 4 months talking happened. Hari Babu sir, Ojha sir. I remember Hari Babu sir, Narendra sir called. And I was saying, sir, Hari Babu sir is coming from the other institute and they will give big amount of money. Hari Babu sir switched off the phone, locked the door, stayed in the house for 2 days till the time they stopped calling and joined here. I was feeling whether he will come or not, but see the trust, see the association. Same with Ojha sir. And each one of us who has joined here, Suman sir is there, Shaddal sir is there, Alok sir is there. Alok sir was at the very good position in Lucknow, generating top ranks. One of the major founder member of that institute. One call came. And like this, many people, each one have their story. Swati ma'am is there, Raman sir is there, AKM sir, Swati ma'am, Raman sir, they were friends. Here they came together, again they are friends here, and one by one, the most talented people we are calling them. I may miss a few names because of excitement, but, but you understand the feeling here. Each one is handpicked. And we were lucky because talented people don't come easily. But all these talented people, none of them came for money. That's why they came. They came for association. Why they are calling it a family? This is a family. This is how the family get created. And now I'm so happy that all my roommates by this time who were there in anywhere, in Vijayawada, in Kota, they all are part of this institute now. Vijay sir was my roommate there. Manish sir, such a beautiful person, such a beautiful soul. All of them, I thought we have lost them because of their drama, the other institute drama. We lost all the good people, and Narendra Sir collected all of us together. And this is very important. Talented people, calling is very easy. Holding them for 5 years is almost impossible. Internal clashes did not happen. Ego clash did not happen because this person was standing over there. And that is the reason that everyone worked with cordial nature. No clashes were happening. Everyone came as a team together. So very, very important thing which I will tell you is that we were talented. We had good talent. We had courageous leader. We had that goodwill from the organization previously where we have worked with the student. But there was one thing which makes sure, which give me this guarantee that Goshalite was supposed to happen. It was always meant to be. And that was his hand. God, Allah, Almighty, Bhagwan, whatever you want to call him, his hand. We have talent, but where to show the talent? God said, don't worry, 2 months we are giving you, launch Gene program.
Yeah, come on.
Gene program became instant hit. Where to show the talent? We need those challenges. We are workaholic people. We need that work to be done, and that challenge was given to us. And Section B was added. We were the first one to start the Section B paper. Now see the luck there. We said here, app not there, how to conduct the examination. Arun Pandey sir said, don't worry, one app I have taken. I was anyway about to leave the previous organization. So I made the app already for myself. Let's make it Shri Goshalite app, on which right now the meeting is going on. We did not decide that. This, all things fall in place automatically. All these things automatically happened. After that, we got the chance. In 5 years, we saw the toughest of the NEET paper. We saw the easiest of the NEET paper. And now we are able to see re-NEET also. Only within 5 years, whatever the experience other people will have in 30, 40 years, our students and we have had in 5 years. And every time challenge came, Goshalite have shined so much. It replaced all the other people, all the other corporate schools within 1 day. And this is our chance again. This is why we are excited. This is why we are excited for the Go Refresh program. We launched on 12th, like sir said, on 13th. Parents send their kids here within 1 day. That's what run in the Goshalite's blood.
Within 12 hours.
Within 12 hours. From where parents came. Now the campuses are full. This much dedication is not only in the Goshalite faculty team, teaching team, the management part, not only in the principal, vice principal, not only in the mess workers who wake up at 3 a.m. in the morning to make sure that everyone get the food. In a single kitchen only everything is getting prepared for so many students to maintain the quality. All that hard work has been done. And also the support of the parents were there. We are running the course. You will not come. How you will see it, how the seat will come? We are teaching you. You will not listen carefully. How the seat will come? You have made Goshalite. This building is not Goshalite. This building was some other organization 5 years back. Some other building we are running was some other organization 5 years, 10 years back. This land on which we are standing 1,000 years back, someone else had this land. The people standing here, the people listening to this, the people in the classroom, all this public makes Shri Goshalite. If this was an organization, they would have stopped. This is a revolution. This is made by the people. This is the real democratic institute. That's why no one can stop it. 50 more years, we will come on the wheelchair and teach. Complete teeth will come out and teach. Saline will be there, we will teach. Till the last breath, we will teach. And one last thing I will say. What one Shri Goshalite have also done, apart from giving the quality to the student, it has kept the respect of the faculty. Not only here, not only these faculty, they are respectable. But also the faculties who are working in the other institutes. They institutes got the fear. If any talented person, any deserving person, we will not give enough respect. We will not give enough amount of money that they deserve. Rather than filling their pocket, if they will not spread that money, they have a legitimate option, a stable option, a good quality option to go. And as soon as they all appreciate, because why we have good relations with all the faculty of the other institutes? Because they also understand that we are fighting a battle against the giants. We are one amongst them. And because of that, the respect of the faculty has not only these faculty, the whole Telugu state faculty respect has been kept. And right now I can give this challenge. If any deserving candidate is there, any deserving person is there, we are not going to do this drama of consortium. You will, from our institute, the faculty will go, you will not take. That will never happen in Shri Goshalite. If the quality is there, if you are honest worker, if you are a very good faculty who can actually do justice to every single penny the student is paying, you are always welcome in Shri Goshalite. Does not matter from which institute you are working before. Quality comes first. Relations comes later. That is the motto of Shri Goshalites. We maintain the quality pool, we deliver the quality, we guide how the education is going to go today and for the next coming 15-20 years now.
In BPC stream.
In BPC stream, obviously. Shri Goshalites Medical Academy. So all the very best came from my heart. But yeah, that is all it is. Yeah, I forgot to say about NSR sir, little bit, one line I will say. NSR sir also, the most silent hard worker in Goshalite is NSR sir. Zero attitude. He is the administrative director. And today, right now in the meeting, his face is also not visible. He always works in the background. The most dangerous people in an organization are the people who work in the background. They are the backbone. You can't see the backbone. You will see the teeth, you will see the nose, you will see the eyes, you will see the beauty. But you have to see that someone is grinding every single day. Morning 6 o'clock, some problem is there. Whom will I call? NSR sir. Night 11:30, some problem is there. Whom will I call? NSR sir. There are people who have working time also in the system, but only NSR sir is there who don't have a working time, bhai. 24 hour, 7 day, no vacation. His kids he has to send, for that also he is not taking the time off. And this much dedication, he does not get enough thanks. He is our Dean Daddy. He is the Dean Daddy of Shri Goshalite. He will be always there, and he is a backbone that we should never forget. So all the very best to all the people who are the parts of Goshalite, because you are the part of revolution.